Here I have OPPO Reno8, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first let's go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. By tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set up a schedule for this mode, like you can change time of the schedule, you can select start time, end time, and also days on which it will repeat. You can also add exceptions to this mode. It could be notifications in status bar, banners, lock screen notifications, notification badges. It could be messages, it could be calls, like from anyone, from contacts, from shared contacts only, or from nobody. You can also ring for repeated calls. A second call from the same number in 3 minutes will not be silenced and will also be added to exceptions. And you can also silence media when Do Not Disturb mode is on. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.